Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here in my channel today, where you will enjoy watching me making different and beautiful DIYs for home decoration. In today's video, I am participating in a new and fun collaboration called Napkin Exchange Challenge, hosted by Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing and co-host Theresa from Theresa B DIY. The challenge of this collab is that a group of crafters exchange 5 or more different napkins and they have to create some DIYs out of these napkins. These napkins they got from another crafters or a YouTuber. Of course, we have no idea what kind of napkins and what colors we are getting. The most fun of this challenge is to think out of the box and create some amazing DIYs for decoration. I received my box from the host Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing, and I sent my napkins to Lisa from Lovin's the Life channel. I have their channels listed in my description box below, but there is also going to be a playlist where you can see and comment in each video in order to win great prizes. And it closes May 18, and then there will be drawing the winner and announcing it. So get this chance to comment and get these prizes. Look at these beautiful napkins and these amazing colors that I received from Sarah. Thank you, Sarah, for all these napkins and for the chocolate too. And now let's get started. DIY 1. I have this hello sign from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna cover it with some napkins. I'm gonna use more than 2 napkins for this project. So I'm choosing this napkin. This napkin has more than 1 layer. It has 2 layers. So the easy way to remove these layers is to put a little bit of Mod Podge in your finger. Then the layers will remove by itself. Just try it. This is the first layer, and I took the second layer too. And this napkin too has 2 layers. So I'm removing these layers, and I'm gonna paint this sign with white chalk paint. I give it 2 coats of paint. Dry it. I am gluing a piece of paper, white paper, as background for this sign. Cutting pieces from this napkin. And applying Mod Podge first, let it dry a little bit, and then put these pieces of napkin on the top. Use my small iron that I have with this parchment paper on the top to make it flat without wrinkles. And this is another piece of napkin in the middle, as this wreath. So I applied 2 napkins for the background and the front of this hello sign, and make another napkin, this pink, like pink purple color. Mod Podge first, then applying pieces of this napkin on the top, covering all this word. As you see now. After laying these pieces of napkin on the hello sign, I'm using a lighter as a fun technique for decoupage to remove these excess pieces of napkins all around this sign. After that, I'm sanding out the edges with this nail buffer to make it neat. I have these lavender branches that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm adding them to decorate inside this box frame. I'm gluing them with hot glue. I'm adding this half beads, pink half beads, so to match all the colors together. And this greenery, so to make it beautiful, like floral box frame. Almost done with this DIY. Let's see how it looks now. It's not gorgeous? Look at these colors. Look how it's turned out. Very cute. What do you think, guys? So let me know in your comment below. For this second project, I have been using this small box frame from Dollar Tree, this wooden fruit stickers too from Dollar Tree, this cute bike that I got from Micah's when it was in sale. I'm gonna need these 2 napkins with fruit design. I have this frame and a piece of white canvas. I had it in my stash, and I'm painting first this frame all around the wooden frame. And this white canvas, I'm gonna cut it and put it as the background because I want something clear or something white in the background. Now I'm painting, then I'm gluing with Mod Podge this white canvas on top this frame. Then I am using this fruit napkin. After I remove the layers, I'm cutting some pictures of fruit to glue them in with my Mod Podge in each corner of this frame. When I applied Mod Podge, I let it dry so I can use my small iron on it to flat it without any wrinkles using parchment paper, as you see. Look, now I am adding another square piece of the same napkin. I'm gonna put it in the middle, just cut around to fit it inside after using Mod Podge, dry it and flat it with my iron. I am removing these words from this glass using nail polish remover. I am leaving only the word welcome. I'm gluing this bike with my hot glue inside this box frame, adding some greenery in the bottom, some tiny stones, and glue it in the middle of this big frame. Also, I already colored this watermelon wooden fruit sticker, and I put it inside the bike basket inside this small frame. Now I'm making a pretty bow with this pretty fruit ribbon, and I'm gonna add it in the corner of this frame. I have a piece of orange that I colored, and I put it in the corner of the small box frame. Voila, le dernier look. I think it's cute project. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment below. And now let's jump to the third DIY. For this project, I have been using this frame from Dollar Tree. I painted the frame with white chalk paint. I also add white paper as background for this frame. I'm adding this sticker, wreath sticker from Dollar Tree, says welcome. Beautiful colors, silver colors and some flowers all around. And this ornament, metallic color, I cut it in half and then cut the top, applying Mod Podge all around this half ornament. As you see, I put in Mod Podge in my finger so to remove these layers. So these napkins, I put some pieces cover this half ornament, and the metallic color from this ornament shows through this napkin. It's very pretty and it's shiny like that. So I apply Mod Podge on the top too. So now I'm adding some flowers daisies flowers from the other tree too. I'm gonna add them inside this half ornament as a bouquet. Glue it with hot glue, adding flowers inside, on the top inside. More, and I'm cutting some pieces from this napkin where it says welcome to our home. So each corner I'm gonna glue some of these napkins, add in Mod Podge, then dry it with my dryer, then add my napkins, flat it with my iron. So cute. No. I'm adding now this pearl lace to decorate this half ornament or this bouquet to add more texture, more details to this project. I cannot stop adding details to my project. I love it. So cute like that. And this pearl lace all around the frame. Now gluing everything together, this picture inside this frame. Now I'm adding the hanger for this frame using these pearl beads, and let's see how it's turned out, this project. Look at that, how is fabulous this project. I love to know what you think, guys, about this project in the comment below. And now let's jump to the DIY number 4. For this last project, I have been using this frame from Dollar Tree too. I'm adding this scrapbook paper with daisies flowers. Trim it, cut it, and add it as background for this frame. Now with this vinyl that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna add it as small background for this napkin that I'm gonna add it in this frame. So it's very light, this vinyl, so I don't know if it's a good idea, but it works. I'm cutting this piece from the napkin, glue it on the scrapbook paper, white one, dry it, and then iron it with my iron, flat it, and trim all the corners or the sides to make it as a card. Now I'm gonna glue it on the top of this vinyl. I'm adding these stickers, these bead stickers, all around this picture, and adding everything together inside this frame. Look at that, it's not cute. Adding a bow, white and silver, in the corner of this frame. Let's see how it looks now. Voila, display of my projects. What do you think, everyone? Let me know in your comment below. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video, for all your likes, all your comments, and don't forget to check out the playlist link in the description box below. See you soon. Take care and bye.